Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? My name is Nicholas. I've been doing some experiments with compressing and heating graphite. This is a synthetic lab-grown graphite rock I've been making in my laboratory, and I'm not going to talk about how I make these rocks. But this is graphite compressed at extremely high pressures and temperatures, and it's still experimental. I haven't, it's hard to tell exactly what kind of pressures and temperatures I'm dealing with, but I suspect I might be exceeding hydraulic press pressures. So I have a proof of concept and I have some diamonds. So I made some of these rocks, I crushed them down into dust, and then I filtered it out, sieved it out, and there are actually diamonds in these rocks. So I have proof of concept that I have a concept of making synthetic lab-grown diamonds. Here's another evidence right here. I crushed these rocks, these graphite rocks I made, lab-grown graphite rocks, and then filtered it out to see if there's any diamonds in there. And guess what? Check this out. So this is graphite. I don't think graphite is supposed to be transparent. So I need to get it, I guess I'm going to take it to the lab and get it tested. But in theory, I am compressing graphite at extremely high pressures and heating it. And this is the sediment that comes out. I'm pretty sure those are diamonds, microscopic diamonds. So nothing that impressive. There's a lot more in there. Got some floaty stuff. Anyways, I crushed these rocks, graphite rocks, and sieved it out in water like you would do with gold. The graphite is very light. It can be filtered out very easily. All the heavy stuff, there's all like maybe some little bit of impurities and other gunk that might have got in there, some copper and brass, but all the heavy stuff sinks to the bottom. All the lightweight graphite floats to the top and is sieved out. And so this was what was left of the graphite. And I'm pretty sure those are diamonds. Pretty cool. So I'm going to be doing some more experiments later. Pretty interesting. I think that's proof of evidence right there. I'm making graphite rocks that have diamonds in it. There's pretty much okay. Need to get it tested, but I don't know why graphite is looking transparent. Starting to look like little diamonds there. That's supposed to be graphite. I promise you, I'm not lying. I am not lying. All right.